Here we go, we've got a monsoonal rain and no power. And of course I've got a police torch, I've got oil lamps, I've got candlesticks. But do you think I'm prepared? I've forgotten what it's like to have power outages. So I'm going to have to go and buy myself some candles and some oil because I've got the original lamp. And you can hear that rain. For a lot of old people, they don't care about the power out. Oh, look at that, you can see the sky lighting up. I'm using one of my other telephones for a light. You know what'll happen? I'll say I'll prepare tomorrow, and I bet you I don't. I bought some batteries for my police torch, and of course, wouldn't fit. They're a particular size, very different from what you normally buy. This is going inside the house. I've got lots of work to do, and of course I can't do it. There's stuff on the floor I'm sorting out. There's my bed. Animals over there. My King Rama 5. And there we go. You can hear that rain outside, can't you? I'm making this video as a note to self. Get the candles, get the proper batteries, get some oil for my lamp. I've got some great oil lamps. I guess that's why I'm making the video. So, oh, it's a lot of rain too. Anyway, I'll find out.